Hello, I'm Derek, the CEO of Showerpower. I'm here to talk to you about this new product, and that's my team.
Hello, I'm Sophie, the sales manager.
Hello, I'm Laetitia, the CFO.
Hello, I'm Melanie, the webmaster.
I'm Hubert, marketing research.
I'm Max, the marketing manager.
Thank you. I'm just going to talk a little bit about the story of this product. It all started like 1 year ago when I realized that every winter I used to get sick. Aren't you tired of getting off your shower and being cold? Are you too tired of washing all the time new towels and stuff? So this product is for you. I'm sure it is for you, you're going to like it. So that's the Showerpower.
Let me talk about the mission statement of the company. The first is to make more practical the use of the shower and to ensure that our products respect the environment. We want to have an effective after-sales service and a high quality of product. But the more important is to satisfy our customer. Our strategic objectives is to offer innovative products and have a presence of our products in all DIY outlets.
Okay, so now I'm just going to tell you why we chose this product. At first we were looking for a market that was really profitable, and we were looking for something that is mandatory. And it appears that in France, bathrooms are mandatory. Almost everybody has a bathroom in France. So we then decided to focus on this market. I'm just going to talk to you about a study that has been made by the FISB, which is la Fédération des Industries de la Salle de Bain. That's a French institute, and they've estimated the bathroom market at around 1.8 billion euros, which is enormous. And we can also see that they have forecast that they have a 3% growth rate. So this market of the bathroom in France is enormous. And let's now talk about more specifically on the shower market. On this market, around 40%, which let's say 39%, is dedicated to shower. That's data that has been taken by a study made by MRE, which is Marketing Research and Industry Limited. That's a British institute. So this represents about 60 million euros with a 5% growth rate. Basically, you just have to consider that this market is enormous in France. 60 million euro is enormous, and we estimate that around 100,000 showers are sold every year in France. So, this, of course, those data are very interesting and attractive, and they've brought lots of competitors on this market. So those data are really interesting and attractive, and they've brought lots of competitors on this market. So now we can see that there's a really big competitive pressure, but we have our chance, and we can see that there's a price war. So I'm just going to say that this market is really interesting for us, and we believe in this product just because this market is enormous and has an expanding growth, which is enormous too. So we really trust this product, and we believe to do lots of things with you.
Okay.
Let me talk about the SWOT analysis. As marketing research, I worked on the SWOT analysis. So first of all, I will talk about strengths. The first strength is that our product is innovative. Nobody uses a Showerpower machine yet. There is no other drying machine in the market. The second thing is that it's 100% clean. So that means no bacteria because it's fresh air from outside, and there's no wet like when you use towel because everything is very dry. The third thing is that it's waterproof, so you can use it after you shower, even if the shower cabin is wet. You can use the drying machine. There is no, it's completely safe. The second thing is that the weakness is, unfortunately, our machine is selective machine. That means that we cannot use the shower machine on every machine using today. It means that there are a lot of very old-fashioned machines, so we cannot add the drying machine on it. The second thing is that we don't have yet a retail network. We need other retailers because we don't have our own networks. The opportunities is that we can imagine co-branding with, for example, the Villeroy and Bosch brand. It's a very big brand, and we can do the drying machine, and Villeroy and Bosch does the shower machine. for example. And the second thing is that it's a huge potential market. It means that 2 points, there are a lot of old people in France and Europe, so that means they need help while taking shower. And in order to protect the environment, we need to take shower instead of bath. The last thing is threats. Unfortunately, we have two threats. Towels. In people's mind, towels is the main effective thing for being dry after taking shower. So we have to change people's mind. And the second thing is the energy. Some people against our machine can say that it's costly in terms of energy. The answer on that problem is that when you use towels, you need water and a lot of electricity in order to clean it and to dry it when you use a dryer machine.
So let me introduce you the marketing strategy. So first the products. My colleague Derek explained you just before what was briefly the idea of a product. Let me develop a little bit more the idea. So this is basically a normal cabin, but just with a dryer. So this is the idea of the product. A dryer incorporated in the sides of the shower. So there will be three range for our product. First one will be low range shower, which is a basic cabin with just the dryer, and then there will be a mid-range shower. So this shower will include hydro massage. It will include also, as you can see, a seat and of course the dryer. And to finish, the last product, which is the high-range product, and we think that it could be really a manner to differentiate, and could be on this product that we could base our communication. Is the high-range product, which will be a all-in-one shower. It will have hydro massage, it will have a large mirror, a radio, also have lights. You could modify the luminosity, the shower, as it's up to you. You could do everything you want with it. As for the price, as it is an innovation, many people could think that we will set very high price in order to our margins, but we really want to touch as much people as possible. So that is why it's able to have affordable price for the shower. The basic price for the low-range shower is 200 euros. 200 euros is almost the price of a normal shower, which is around 150, 160 euros. So it's not so expensive. And then for the all-in-one shower, the price will be 1,500 euros, which we think is also quite cheap compared to some showers that could sometimes go up to 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000 euros. So Sophie is going now to explain you where we're going to distribute the products and what promotion we're going to do with it.
Okay, let me talk about the promotion of the product. In order to generate sales volume, we will have an intensive promotion strategy with poster campaign in major cities in France, such as Paris, Lyon, Marseille, Toulouse, and Bordeaux. On showroom, we will have the real product. Then the customer can test the product in the showroom. We will have a promotion on TV advert. And regarding the price, we'll offer to new customer promotional rebates on the product. For the distribution, we will work with specialized shops such as Leroy Merlin, Bricorama, and Castorama. And we'll work with hospital because our product is very useful for sick people. So it's really interesting for us to work with hospital.
Now let's talk about the financial plan. As you can see, we are expecting a constant rise on your sales during the first year. It's about 10% by quarter. And we are expecting a constant rise during all the 5 years, about 15% by year. This growth expectation is based on very high negotiation skills of our salespeople and in a massive advertising. Regarding the revenues, as you can see, we're also expecting a constant rise on revenues. This is based on our sales, because if we have a lot of sales, we will have a lot of revenues. More production is very low, so we can make a very important profit margin. Now I'm going to talk about the profit and losses of our company. It can be very utopic to make a profit during the first year, but this is the reality of our company, and this is based on very low cost of production, as I already said, and it's doubled with a very low fixed cost because we don't have any rent, and because we are just distributing our product on DIY.
Let me introduce the website. So we've decided to design a website for two main reasons. The first one is the notoriety, by making a good impression. Why? Because we've decided not to build a retail store, so we don't have direct links with the customer. So the website will be a good opportunity to have a link with the customers, but also with the media. The second reason is to build a credibility for our business. Why? Because interested people need to get information about us, which can be who we are, what we do, and what we sell. So I think it's a good opportunity for us, but also for the customers, because they might be reassured about the fact that we have a website. Now I'm going to talk about the functionalities of the website. So this is the website. So first of all, you have our story about who we are and what we're doing. You have also the offer and the customer support, and the last functionality is that the customer can design his own arrangement. So creating a website is very useful for us, but also for the customer.
So thank you for your attention. As we've seen, we're going to enter in a new market, which is enormous and expanding, so that's a really good thing for us. We hope that we've given you interest in our company and in our product, and we hope that you've understood the aim and the efficiency of this product. Thank you again. We hope that you will trust us as much as we trust us ourselves. Thank you.
Hello.
I'm just gonna let my team introduce me. No.
So there will be a range of three. Thank you, Maxime.
Okay, thank you, Maxime. Okay, thank you, Maxime. Now let me talk about the promotion of the product in order to generate. Damn it! Okay, thank you, Max.